Good morning, everybody. Happy holidays, New Year. Yes, we are at Walmart, and I'm excited to share with you guys the deals for today. What time is it? I don't even know what time it is. It's not quite 8 o'clock yet. When it hits 8 o'clock, then I'll find out if I have a weekend warrior. When it has been it has been like 18 rebates. I didn't hit it last week. If it's 18, I won't hit it this week. Just want to give you guys a heads up. I will probably not be doing a Walmart haul next week. Number one, my kids are home from school and I'm not taking them into public, but I will be definitely doing 90% off shopping. So I know Walmart was like a week after Christmas last year, so I think it was on like New Year's Eve, I think maybe, or it was afterwards, I don't remember, but I do know Target was January 2nd. So because I put my cat down that day and I had to go shopping just to be happy. But anyways, we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna look for clearance items. All of my makeup at my store is all locked up. They have it 100% all locked up, which sucks, but people had to ruin it for others, so yeah. But let's go inside and have some fun. There's some great Checko 51 deals and swag buck deals that I'm pretty excited for. So let's go have some fun. So here we have the Colgate Total Toothpaste for $4.96. You're going to submit your receipt to the Ibotta app where you'll get $4 back off of 2. Then you can also submit your receipt. It's optional if you guys want to do this, but you'll submit your receipt to the Shopee app where you also get $4 off of 2. Then you can also submit your receipt for the Swag Bucks app where you get $3 back when you purchase the 2, making this a $1.08 moneymaker. So here we have the Alka-Seltzer Energy Boost for just $4.97, but we currently have a Shopkick deal where you get 1,215 points for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $4.86. This just comes out to be 11 cents. 11 cents, which is an awesome deal. So here we have the Poise pads, not this one, it has to be this one, for $5.97. You're gonna get a $2 rebate with Ibotta, and then you can also get a 260 points for purchasing and scanning the product with Shopkicks, which is $1.04, making your final price for this just $2.93. I'm not sure if I want to do this deal, I'm debating, but it's still an okay deal if you guys want to go ahead and do it. So here is an easy freebie. Make sure you guys are checking your cereal because a lot of my cereal is marked down, but we have this chewy granola in the strawberry. It is $1.12. Otherwise the other one's $2.15, but this one's $1.12. We have a, sorry, I have a message. We have a $1.25 Ibotta rebate. This ends up becoming like a 13-cent moneymaker. Awesome deal. I can always get this and then donate it. I always buy cereal and donate it, so can't go wrong, and it is a limit of 2, so awesome deal. And then there is a bonus, which I'm not saying the bonus, but an easy freebie. So here we have the Splenda brown sugar for $4.98. There is currently a $4 Ibotta rebate that you guys can get, making it just 98 cents, but there is a Shopee deal. I used it last week, so I don't have the Shopee deal, but I do have a Swag Bucks deal where I get $4 back when I purchase one, making this a $3.02 moneymaker, which is an awesome deal. So here we have the Juicy Fulls for $8.48. My store does not carry the smaller ones of them, but we get $1.20 back with Fetch Rewards, and then there's some kind of lightning thing, so I don't know if you get a bonus with this, but you get $1.20 back with Fetch Rewards. You also get $2.50 back with Ibotta, and then you can also submit your receipt for Shopee where you get 75 cents back, making this just $4.03. That's half off basically, and there's 20 of them in here, so $4.03 is a pretty okay deal if you guys like some fruit snacks. So here we have the Ritz crackers. These are $3.88. There's currently a rebate for $2 off when you purchase 2. So together you will pay $7.76, but then you'll get that $2 back with Ibotta, making it $5.76 or just $2.88. My kids go crazy over Ritz, so anytime I can get a deal, we're gonna get them. So here we have the Velveeta blocks of cheese. This is $7.48. And then we have the Rotel that is $1.36. Right now, you will buy 2 of the Rotel and 1 of the Velveeta. I have a Christmas party coming up, so I always make a special dip with this. But together, you'll buy the 3 items and pay $10.20. But then there is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate for the Velveeta. And then there is a 25-cent off of 2 when you purchase 2 of the Rotel. Then there is a bonus where if you buy both of them together, you'll end up getting $2.22 back. So your final price for this just comes out to be $6.98. So it's basically buying 1 of the Velveetas and getting 2 of the Rotels for free. Like I said, I need this stuff because I use this for a special dip that I make. So great deal if you guys need that. So here we have the Taco Bell seasoning for just 76 cents. You're gonna buy 2 of them and you will pay just $1.52. But there is a couple deals that we can do. You're gonna end up getting, I gotta find my spot. You can end up getting 19 cents back with checkout 51. So you'll get you'll get 38 cents back with checkout 51 when you do that. Then there is also a deal with Swag Bucks, but I cannot find the thing. You get 75 cents back with Swag Bucks, making this just 39 cents or 19 cents each, which is a pretty decent deal. Now we have the Taco Bell sauces. These are $1.98. You're gonna buy 2 of them. You would pay $3.96. But then with the Swag Bucks app, you get $1.50 when you purchase the 2. Then you also get 50 cents back, so you get $1 back with the checkout 51, making your price for this just $1.46 or 73 cents each. Then we have the mild, or there's hot, but I'm not seeing the hot. It's probably behind one of these boxes, but these taco shells are $2.98. You're gonna buy 2 of them. You will end up paying $5.96 for the 2, but then you will receive $2 back when you purchase 2 with the Swag Bucks app, and then I gotta find the checkout 51. Then you will get 75 cents times 2, so you get $1.50 back with checkout 51, making your final price for this just $2.46 or $1.23. And then we have the Taco Bell queso sauce. You either get medium or mild. These are $2.98. You would pay $5.96 for 2 of those, but you get $2.50 back with Swag Bucks when you purchase the 2 of them. Plus you will also get 88 cents times 2 with checkout 51, making your final price for this just $1.70 or 85 cents, which is a great deal if you guys need some of those. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, I went to Walmart this morning. My store was like all over the place. The employees are just moving everything around. They're trying to gather all the Christmas stuff and like gather it, which is fine. But you guys, Christmas clearance is coming up. Now, my stores, I have 2 stores that I go to. One of my stores like gathers everything, another store just lets it be. So here's a heads up. When you guys are clearance Christmas shopping, check throughout the aisles. Check sidekicks. Check the clothing. Check everywhere, because there is hidden clearance or hidden Christmas clearance everywhere. Not always just go where like the main Christmas stuff is. Just look around, and that's how you guys can score. Like the pajamas, the kids' clothes, you want to check the baby stuff. There's a lot of baby stuff, and I will definitely let you guys know when I go to the store and kind of show you what I got. But I'm pretty excited. Like, here's the funny thing is, today my 2 children and myself are all wearing our 90% off Christmas clothes from last year. Like, I ended up getting this ugly sweater, you know, of Elf. I paid like $2 something for this. Charlotte's wearing a Minnie Mouse dress that I paid like, again, like $2 something for it. And then Ben's wearing a Grinch shirt that I paid like $1 for. So just saying, make sure you guys are going all over the place when that Christmas clearance hits. And I only buy stuff literally when it's 90% off. Now, there might be some stuff that you are eyeing up. Definitely go back and check it out when it's like 50 or 70, but 90%. My thing is, if it was there when it's 90%, it was there for me. So yeah. So I ended up getting everything I showed you. I did not get the poise pads because I felt like that wasn't a great deal. I did see in Shopium that there is a deal, but when I scanned it, it didn't show up. So I don't know if there was a coupon deal for that or not, but yeah. But there wasn't a lot of Ibotta stuff, which is totally fine. I just had to get some stuff that I needed for my party, and why not save some money for it? I feel like I've been wanting to have tacos since I got a lot of taco stuff now. But my grand total was $65.95. $65.95. I ended up getting $16 back with Ibotta, and then I did receive that $2.22 bonus for the Rotel and the Velveeta. So I got, what, $18.22. I did have a Weekend Warrior, but it was, again, 18 rebates, and I'm not hitting that. There's just not a lot of hot deals going on because right now people aren't focusing on using the app. They're focusing on getting stuff that they need for their families and all that stuff. So that's why I just said I'm going to be skipping next week, because I feel like there's just not a lot of hot deals. But let's make 2024 an awesome year. Fetch Rewards, I received 1,385 points, which is $1.38. $1.38, yeah. Fetch Rewards, my father-in-law loves Fetch Rewards. And my mom loves Fetch Rewards. I don't love Fetch Rewards. It's not as fun as it used to be. I still like it because, I mean, that little money adds up, which is nice. But I just feel like a lot of their deals are just not as hot anymore. Plus, a lot of people have different deals in different areas, because I see like, oh, this deal, and then I'm like, wait, I don't have this, and I don't like it how it like fluctuates. A lot of apps do that. It depends on where you live. If you live in a very populated city, you're gonna see a lot of apps deals, and then you live in a small town, you don't see as much. Then I hate how the apps do that. It's not fair to everybody, because there's people who might live in a small town and they're hurting just as much as the people who live in a big city. And they want to try that stuff too. That's just my 2 cents. But yeah, Swag Bucks, I received 1,375 points, which is $13.75. Shop Kicks, I received 1,250 points. I was scanning a bunch of stuff, but I ended up getting $5 from Shop Kicks. Shopkick was my original app, the original OG app that I used to use before I even started couponing. I was so excited because I used to, when I had Ben, I was bored out of my mind, and I would just go to like Target and just start scanning stuff. That's all I did, was just scan stuff, because that was the only thing you could do with Shopkicks back then, was only scan stuff. You didn't get points for purchasing it, you just got stuff for scanning it. So I would do that all the time because I'm like, I need to get out of the house, I need adult contact. Shopium, I received $4. All I did was just get the Colgate toothpaste. And then with Checkout 51, I did get $4.64. So my grand total from $65.95, there's a hair that's bothering me, all the way down to $18.96, which is a pretty good deal. My goal is always to get under 10 bucks, but hey, I got a lot of food deals, and that's what I like, because I obviously needed the Velveeta, because I always buy that. Now, I have bought off-brand stuff before, but the Velveeta is a brand that you just have to have a name brand, in my opinion. So I always add like hamburger and stuff, then I make like a dip, and people just go crazy over my chip dip that I have. And I actually have a video on how I made that. It's yeah. But $18.96 for 20 items. Everything came out to be 95 cents each. But like, if you think about it, that Velveeta was $7.48. And then I ended up getting the Juicy Fills. That was like $9 right there. I got the Ritz. That was $4. So I mean, $18.96 for everything that I got for 20 items, I think is a pretty great deal. Like I said, I'm not going to do a Walmart haul next week because my kids are off of school, and I just feel like unless there is some really hot deals, but I just don't want to take my kids into the store, because for me it can turn into like a less than an hour shopping trip into a 3-hour trip, and then I'm buying stuff I don't want to buy. So just saying. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a great big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys love saving money. And I will see you guys next time. Hope you guys have an awesome holiday weekend, holiday New Year. I'm having an ugly sweater party on New Year's this year because I thought, why not bring in the new year, celebrating with some friends. You know, the older you get, the older you just don't want to go out. So let's just go have some fun with some friends and have their kids over. It's a wonderful, wonderful, awesome time. So again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next year, hopefully, maybe sooner. But you guys have a nice day. Thanks for watching.